This video is a guide to using the Havells extension board safely, providing a secure power solution for your devices. The Havells extension board has a 1.5-meter wire, 4 universal plugs, and a single switch with a light indicator. Step 1. Connect the extension board plug to a wall outlet. It is designed for 240 volts and 6 amps. Step 2. Connect your devices. The board allows you to connect up to 4 items, like a mobile phone, laptop, fan, and television. Stop. The maximum power is 1440 watts. Use it safely for low-power devices. Do not connect high-power appliances such as heaters, irons, or microwaves. Step 3. Turn the main switch on to supply power to the connected devices. Step 4. The power is on when you see the light indicator illuminated. This extension board provides a safe environment, acting as a safeguard to stop bad power from reaching your devices. The internal glass fuse provides an extra layer of protection for all your connected items. Your Havells Safe Power Extension Board is now ready to use, following these simple 4 steps.